So real quick on changing your oil on your Maserati Ghibli 3 liter, you will have to remove this to get to the filter. Very easy. You can see on the back that slides into there, and then you have these pop clips, 3 of them, and then you have this where you'll just push the tab down and pull it out this way and up out. Then you'll see your oil filter housing here. I believe that is a 27 millimeter. Yep, it's a 27 millimeter. Now you see the one precaution I made here, because I just ran into this on the other Maserati this morning. Sometimes when you loosen this, the oil filter inside the cartridge will come loose from this cap. And what that means is that the O-ring that lets the oil drain out of the bottom, that holds oil in here so that you don't lose pressure every time you shut your car off, won't pull out of the bottom, and that means that the cap will come off but the oil filter won't come out with it, and then it will spill oil here. And really, if that happens, you can try and put the cap back on and take it off and hopefully it'll pull out then, but I really had to pull on the other one, and if that gets stuck there, that means that it's going to drain oil down there on top of your compressor. So be warned if that happens. Make sure you have some rags to soak up all the oil so you don't get oil all over the belt drive or the AC compressor. Just a caution on removing that filter. So here's what I mean when I say the oil filter is separating from the cap. It's supposed to stay attached like so, but for some reason it's not. And this part right here is what seals it and keeps the oil from leaking back. And this is getting stuck in the lower part of the housing, and so that's causing the oil to leak everywhere. That there is your Maserati oil filter number. That's probably going to cost you about $100, maybe 80 to 100 bucks, somewhere around there. This is the size of your drain plug. I'm not exactly sure what the size of it is. It's that's a 19, so I'm going to say it's probably M20. About an M20 size. That's for your drain plug. Now hopefully this grease mitigates this issue with this thing not pulling out. We'll see. We do these on the regular, so we'll see him for his next oil change, and we'll see what happens. My buddy normally does these instead of me, but he's on vacation, so I'm doing it, and now I'm seeing this problem. Seeing as this is the second one today that's done this, I'm going to try and fix this. Yeah, that's right, Ferrari, baby. More than you can afford, pal. In case you didn't know, that incredibly cheesy pun is from Fast and Furious, and also because these motors are made by Ferrari. That's right. Until recently, when Ferrari negated their contract, when it runs out they will not renew it. These motors are made by Ferrari. Cool. Now we're almost done with the oil change. I'm just going to breeze right through this. You have to take this under tray off, and you're going to have Phillips here, here, or should be, and then 10s here, 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 and here, and then here you have a T30, 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 T30. And this, my friends, is where the engineers just said, screw you guys. We're gonna put the plug horizontal, and we're gonna put these lines right underneath of it. That's right. As soon as you take this sucker out, it is going to drench this hose. It will split and come this way and that way. You heard me. Instead of making it vertical right here, my friends, they put it here, and they said, we don't care. We're gonna let it drain all over for you. We're gonna make sure it splits and goes 50 ways of oil. That's right. Scarico oleo. Horizontalo, not verticalo. Yeah, it sucks, but it is going to drain on this, so plan on cleaning this. Have some can of brake cleaner or something and a rag so that you can clean this off nice and good and it doesn't ruin this. And that's it. When you go to fill it back up, it should be filled, I believe, with 540 according to the last spec that I rode, and it will take 7.2 liters, which is about 8 quarts. And that, my friends, is how you do a whole oil change on a Maserati Ghibli 3.0 gasoline. Thanks for watching. Later.